A Python tuple is an immutable sequence of elements enclosed within parentheses. Unlike lists, tuples cannot be modified after creation. Tuples can contain any kind of data, including other sequences like lists, and they support indexing and slicing. Here are some key characteristics of tuples. Ordered. The items in a tuple have a defined order, and you can access them using their index, starting from 0. Immutable. You cannot modify the items in a tuple after it is created. This makes them suitable for storing data that shouldn't be changed accidentally. Heterogeneous. A tuple can contain items of different data types. Enclosed in parentheses. Tuples are defined using parentheses, unlike lists which use square brackets. 1. Creating tuples. You can create a tuple by enclosing comma-separated values within parentheses. 2. Accessing elements. You can access elements in a tuple using indexing. Indexing in Python starts from 0. 3. Tuple slicing. You can use slicing to extract a subset of elements from a tuple. 4. Tuple unpacking. You can unpack a tuple by assigning its elements to separate variables. 5. Immutable nature. Tuples are immutable, meaning you cannot modify their elements once they are created. Attempting to change elements in a tuple will result in an error. 6. Tuple methods. Tuples have two built-in methods. Count returns the number of occurrences of a specified value in the tuple. Index returns the index of the first occurrence of a specified value. Key points about tuples. Creation. Tuples are created by listing elements separated by commas and optionally surrounded by parentheses. An empty tuple is denoted simply by two consecutive commas, or by using parentheses. Indexing. Similar to lists, tuples can be indexed starting from 0. Negative indices refer to positions relative to the end of the tuple. Repetition. Tuples can contain duplicated elements. Heterogeneity. Tuples can consist of elements of varying types. Conversion. Lists can be converted to tuples using the tuple constructor. Single element. To create a tuple with a single element, a comma must follow the element when defining the tuple. Nested tuples. Tuples can contain other tuples.